Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another build. Today we're going to be doing a super simple build that costs just 290 USD. Starting off, we have a Pentium G4400, perfect for web browsing and very basic tasks. The Nova case from Bitphoenix, and since I'm no longer mining, I'll be repurposing my mining motherboard. We have 8 gigs of RAM, a 550 watt power supply from EVGA. And a side note, since the filming of this video, the power supply has gone bad and the ARM-based process was super simple. We also have a 120GB SSD and a 1TB hard drive. Shipping did not treat this case any good. The side panel was already popped off from the impact from being dropped. Now since the sheet metal is very thin, I'm pretty sure we can pop this back out. The interior of this case is pretty basic. It comes with a pre-installed fan, and the backside doesn't really have much room for cable management, but the cutout behind the CPU is greatly appreciated when it comes time to upgrade the CPU. I tried to straighten it as much as possible, but that's the best I can do. Now I'm pretty sure cable management was not in mind in the design process of this case, so they're all shoved into the bottom.
Control.
But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next Ryzen build. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed this build, and I'll see you in the next one.